there is only one person in a room, there are no relationships. If there are two people, there's one relationship between them. With three people, there are three relationships. But with four people, there are actually six relationships. With five people, there's 10 relationships. And if you have a strong network of, let's say, 50 people, there are actually 1,225 relationships. Having a room full of trusted business people working towards a common goal is a very powerful place to be. Having that many solid relationships in a room dramatically increases the opportunities for you.